The treble crochet, also known as triple crochet, is similar to the double crochet, but this time before inserting your hook into your stitch, you're going to wrap your working yarn around your crochet hook twice. Then you will insert your hook into the stitch that you're working into, grabbing working yarn. You will then have 4 loops on your crochet hook. You're going to wrap your working yarn around again, and then in sets of 2 you will be removing this yarn from your hook. So you're going to go through the top 2 loops on your hook, and then the next 2 and the next 2 until you're down to 1. So when I say top 2, this does not include the working yarn that you wrapped around your crochet hook prior to pulling your crochet hook through the loops. So when you wrap your crochet hook around the loop before pulling through to remove some from your hook, you're gonna have 4 loops on your crochet hook. Then when you wrap it around one more time before pulling through, you're gonna have 5. So not counting that 5th one, you're gonna keep going through the top 2 until you reach the last 2, and you will have completed your triple or treble crochet. And as always, if you want to see the left-handed demonstration, keep watching.